History is not just written by kings and empires. It is also whispered by forests, carried by rivers, and remembered by those who dared to rise when the world told them to bow. Namaskar, I am Apurva, and you're watching One World News History and Forgotten Legends, where we bring back the voices that time tried to silence and the heroes our textbooks forgot. Today, we remember two brothers whose courage shook the British Empire long before 1857. Sidhu and Kanu Murmu, the fearless leaders of the Santhal rebellion, the forgotten flame of the forest in the dense forests of Jharkhand, Bihar, and Bengal Presidency, lived the Santhal tribe, simple, hard-working people who believed in nature, dignity, and truth. But under British rule, their lands were snatched, their voices crushed, and their lives exploited by colonial officers, zamindars, and moneylenders. When injustice became unbearable, the forest answered back. Rise of Sidhu and Kanhu Murmu, born into a humble Santhal family. Sidhu Murmu and Kanhu Murmu were not trained warriors nor crowned kings. They were sons of the soil who turned pain into protest and faith into fire. In 1855, with the call of Hal, meaning revolution, they united over 50,000 Santhal men and women. Armed with bows, arrows, axes, and unbreakable spirit, they declared open rebellion against the British East India Company. This was not just a revolt, it was India's first organized tribal uprising. A war against an empire, the brothers set up parallel guns, challenged British authority, and struck fear into colonial administration. For months, the mighty British army struggled against people who fought not for power, but for identity, land, and self-respect. Yet, betrayal and brute force followed. In July 1855, Sidhu Murmu was captured and executed. Soon after, Kanhu Murmu was hunted down and martyred. But their deaths did not end the rebellion. It ignited a legacy. Why Sidhu Kanhu matter today? Because freedom was not born in 1947. It was watered with sacrifices long before. Because tribal resistance is a pillar of India's freedom struggle, not a footnote. Because Sidhu and Kanhu Murmu proved that courage does not need a crown, only conviction. Today, statues stand, songs are sung, and every Hal Divas reminds us that the forest still remembers its heroes. They were not kings of palaces. They were kings of conscience. They did not wait for history to recognize them, they made history rise. This was Sidhu and Kanhu Murmu, leaders of the Santhal rebellion, warriors of forgotten India. I am Apurva, and this is One World News, where forgotten legends find their voice again. Stay with us, because history deserves to be remembered truthfully, fearlessly, and completely.